Last week, the world gold market had a quiet trading week, with prices limited to $2.650 per ounce. This week, gold prices are also expected to fluctuate slightly due to the tug-of-war between safe haven demand and pressure from recovering bond yields and the greenback. When discussing gold's devaluations in 2025, market analyst Fawad Razaqzada of Citi Index said that although the US dollar and higher bond yields could negatively impact gold, some supporting factors will still help the precious metal reach $3.000 per ounce. Given persistent inflation concerns, this expert explained that the US Central Bank is expected to make more cautious interest rate decisions next year. This is likely to support bond yields and the US dollar, two factors that often reduce the attractiveness of gold. Higher bond yields significantly impact investment demand for the yellow metal, increasing the opportunity cost of holding these non-yielding assets. At the same time, the greenback, supported by hawkish central bank policies and strong economic data, makes gold more expensive for buyers holding other currencies. These dynamics could limit gold's upside gold style in the first half of next year, he said. China and India, the world's two world consumers, are also facing domestic challenges. Razaqzada added, that could dampen demand for the precious metal. A weaker yuan and a slow recovery from the pandemic have made gold less attractive in China. India, the number 2 gold market, is also experiencing similar challenges. A recent currency devaluation has eroded their purchasing power, making dollar-denominated gold more expensive domestically. This is particularly worrying as India accounts for more than 25% of global jewelry demand. Many investors wonder whether gold can break $3.000 an ounce in this environment. Razaqzada believes that is possible. Given the movement of the precious metal in 2024, he sees any dip as a buying opportunity. The expert added that major macroeconomic shifts and rising geopolitical risks will be key in determining gold's trajectory next year. Additionally, the possibility that central banks will continue to add gold next year will boost this precious metal in 2025. With the domestic gold bar price stable and the world gold price listed at Kitco at 2.621.2 USD/ounce, equivalent to about 80.7 million VND/tael if converted according to Vietcombank exchange rate, excluding taxes and fees. The difference between domestic and world gold prices is about 4 million VND/tael.